How's it going, guys? So we finally made it into town, but first we need some shiner. It took me a while to get here because there was like a really bad accident on the highway. Yeah, I hope he's alright. It was pretty bad, honestly. I mean, it took me 2 hours to get here. Normally it just takes like an hour and 10. It took a while to get here, but that's okay. We got here safe, so drive safe out there, you guys. You know, life is short, just be careful. So yeah, I gotta make a stop and grab some shiner here at DNS. I'm actually gonna take you guys in there because in the last couple comments you guys are asking what kind of bait I was using. I'm gonna take you guys inside and show you guys what they are, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, it is nice, guys. So hopefully nobody's here. I got my Crocs on. By the way, it's really cold. It's -6 right now, so I'm trying to hurry up. It's freaking cold. There it is. Oh. So I'll talk to you guys when we get in there. It's like I said, it's cold as heck. There's my little bait rig right here. Whew, it's cold. How's it going? What's up, dude? Hey,
This is
how's it going?
Kevin. David.
Hey, Kevin. David.
Hey, folks. My name is Pat, owner of DNS Bait and Tackle here in Madison. Just going to show you the bait we got here. A ton of good live bait. That's what we're known for here at the shop. Got a bunch of crappie minnows, walleye fatheads, medium shiners, some large shiners here.
There we go.
Yeah. Over on this side,
We're not done yet, guys.
we got the big boys here.
Woo! Look at that.
Jumbo shiners, super popular with the pike anglers. Small suckers. These walleye guys love these. And then also for the walleye folks, blacktail chubs. Very lively, a little larger than a fathead. Stay wiggling down there a long time. David, you wanted some large shiners, eh? All right. Just a dozen?
Sounds good to me.
Great. Dozen. Yeah. Best bait in town. We're a full-service bait tackle fly shop here in the north side of Madison, 1411 Northport Drive. Give us a follow on social media, DS Bait Tackle Fly Shop. Feel free to ask us any questions. Feel free to call the shop here anytime, 241-4225. We're happy to help point people in the right direction, let you know where the fish are biting.
Here it is. I hope it doesn't spill. So make sure you guys stop by at DNS Bait and Tackle and say hi to Pat. Let's do this. All right, guys. We finally made it out. And man, this snow makes it rough. But you know, we're gonna start off with the giant, big old jumbo right here. The one that Pat gave us. It's bigger than your average size shiner, so gonna go big or go home. Cause I hear prime is at noons. Right behind the back here. Super lively fish. We're fishing in 5 feet of water. Just, you know, get all set up, situated. It's so freaking cold, man. Gosh. So while we wait, let's cook some noodles. I am hungry. I wonder how I'm gonna do this, because I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So let me show you guys how to do this. Take this thing off, right? And you hook it upside down, just like that. Now you do need a little support. You gotta bend it a little bit. I'm gonna use this bucket here as a support system for the pot to sit on. Usually I'll have like a grill or something right there, like a stand. But today I didn't bring that, so it's fine. You know, it'll be okay. Yeah, the bucket should be okay because it shouldn't take too long for it to cook. Oh shit! Bucket's melting. Oh. I accidentally kicked it a little too close and there goes my bucket. It started melting. Hey y'all, water seems to be kicking in, so I'm gonna go ahead and start throwing this stuff in there. Even if it's a little hard, it's fine. I don't mind it. I like texture on my noodles anyways. Some flavor in there. Let's put all this stuff in there. Just let it rest. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna move that automatic fisherman in here. I don't think it's gonna survive out there like this because this temperature is just, it was -8. Right now it's like 1 degree with a little wind chill, so we're gonna move it in here and hopefully it get bit out here. Yep, it's just about done. I'm just gonna let it sit while it cool off, you know. We should be good. And like I said, I like a little texture in my noodle, so it's actually perfect. We got the automatic fisherman in here now. It's 11 feet. Not a big fan of 11 feet, but you know what? It's fine. We're settled in. I'm going to let those two do the job. I have two big shiners out and 7 feet, nope, 6 feet and what, 4.5 feet over there. Hopefully a big pike cruise through. Again, I don't know. I've never been here before. It's my first time here, and hopefully we catch something. But while we wait, we eat. Not hydrating this time, but we're going to go ahead and eat some delicious noodle here, because that's what we do, right? We just wait it out and we eat. While I eat and chill, hopefully it goes off, and I'll see you guys when the fish bite. Alright guys, I think we're in focus here, but we finally made it out to the spot that I wanted to fish, right? Sorry, I was turning that way. I have 2 flags up, sitting on the shallow end. You could say 6-7 feet of water. It's like 6.6, 6.7. Yes, we are pike fishing today. We got a bunch of bait from DNS Bait and Tackle Fly Shop, but I do want to talk about the new reel that I got. I've actually been waiting for this reel to come in. It was going to be like my ultimate dead stick, bigger fish reel, right? For those who have been following me on Instagram, I'm talking about the Akuma Samar HD. So this is the size 1000 right here. It's an absolute gorgeous reel. It's black and red. It's perfect for ice fishing, open water. You can honestly do everything up here in the Midwest with this 1000 reel. What I got here is 10-pound braid to 15-pound fluoro. Obviously, I'm putting this on the automatic fisherman, and hopefully we can stick a fish with this, because I would love to test it out on a big pike or big catfish, whatever that's roaming in this water here. Hopefully we can figure something out and make it happen for you guys. So with that being said, I hope we catch fish today. So stick around. Let's see if we can get one on the new Akuma Samar HD. Let's get it. Because it kept freezing out there, I didn't have like 3 insulation. I brought the automatic fisherman in here, and now we're sight fishing for pike. I got a giant shiner down there just cruising, and hopefully a big pike will come by, you know. I don't know. It's been really quiet. Nothing so far, so we'll see if this happens. We shall see. We still got 4 hours to go, so. Oh! Bro, I just lost a fish. Oh my gosh. He's back, he's back, he's back. He's back, he's back, he's back. We got him, we got him. Oh no, it popped off. It popped off. He's there, my drag was loose. Oh my gosh, dude. I just had a fish come by. What? Oh my gosh. I missed him. He's back, he's back, he's back. Oh, he's back, he's back. Oh my gosh. Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. There he is. He's right there, he's right there, he's right there. He's got it, he's got it. Oh my gosh, dude, it's a nice fish. Take the whole thing. Oh my dude, he's eating it. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm shaking. I'm freaking shaking. He's eating. He's right on top of me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He keeps letting it go. What the hell? Come on, take it, take it, take it, take it. We're on. We're on. We're on. We're on, guys. We're on. We're on. Oh my gosh. We're on, guys. We're on. I sight fish a freaking pike, dude. Oh my gosh. I sight fish. I can't talk right now. I sight fish a pike. Oh my gosh. He's right here. Bro, that was so cool. He's not a giant, but it's the start to this day. Oh my gosh. Yep. Dude, let's go. Let's go. You came back twice. 3 times actually. Oh my gosh. Dude, what the heck? I I'm shaking. I'm shaking. That's a nice pike. Yes, dude. Oh, oh my gosh. This fish will not let go of the bait. That was crazy. Insane. That was so cool, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm shaking because I just watched them attack that bait like left and right non-stop. Holy smoke. Oh my gosh. Absolutely beautiful. Man. On the new reel too. Oh, I'm shaking. The new reel. That's the new Kuma Samar HD right there. Wow. That was cool. Oh, geez. It's ready to go. All right. Oh my gosh. Well, guys, I think that's it. We can wrap it up because if they were gonna bite, they'll bite right now, you know. But I don't think they're here. Gotta go home, do some edits, and eat. Freaking hungry. Starving, man. Oh, I got a flag. Dude, I got a flag. It's spinning. It's spinning. Jeez. Shit. I gotta bring my sled. I forgot the camera's in here. I got a fish. It's spinning. I think it dropped it. No. It dropped the bait. Oh man. I was just about to leave, guys. Freaking line goes off like crazy. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time. Peace.